When you search for healthy breads, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same pictures, but to understand what really works and what just sounds good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Ultimate Bread Machine Cookbook. So the first product I want to talk about is the Ultimate Bread Machine Cookbook by Aliexpress. At $16.99, it caught my eye because it promises 100 creative recipes, including gluten-free options. If you want to take control of your bread-making game, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this cookbook truly solves your problem. If you're like many people, you want to eat healthier but feel overwhelmed by store-bought options filled with preservatives. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes that you can customize to fit your dietary needs. Whether you're craving classic white bread, whole grain, or a gluten-free loaf, you can whip them up at home. Plus, baking your own bread means you know exactly what's going into it, which is a big win for your health. And with 0 reviews yet, it seems like an undiscovered gem, waiting for you to dive in and start your baking journey. Now, some folks might worry that a cookbook won't be detailed enough or that the recipes could be complicated. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy cooking and experimenting, you'll find the step-by-step instructions straightforward. It might not be for someone who wants instant results, but if you're eager to learn and enjoy the process, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you love to cook and want to create nutritious breads from scratch. Skip this one if you're looking for ready-made solutions or lack the time to dedicate to baking. For just $16.99, you're getting a wealth of recipes that can truly transform your meals. Now, if the idea of baking bread seems daunting, this next option might just be the perfect fit for your busy lifestyle.
When you search for healthy breads, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same pictures, but to understand what really works and what just sounds good, you have to dig a little deeper.